Good morning, students. Once again, now here in this video, we'll be talking about some common mistakes we do when we use pronouns. See, remember, these are some tips for you. These are some helping hints for you how to use pronouns and what common mistakes we do. So, using pronouns correctly, how do you know when to use me or I, we or us? Now, first is use a subject pronoun as a subject only. Don't use it as an object. You know, in personal pronouns, we use those words, pronouns as subjects or as objects. So, you have to use them correctly. We cannot use the subject pronoun as an object. You must remember, go through these videos again. You will know where to use them as subject pronouns and where to use them as object pronouns. Use an object pronoun as object of the verb. They should determine, they should be identified, they should be located easily whether they are used as subject or as object. Now, as subject, she is the subject here. So, here she is the subject. This is how you have to use it. She is the subject. She owns a collection of books. Now, here as object, remember it is indirect object because person is always used as an indirect object. Amusing story is the direct object here. This is a thing, so this is a direct object, but person is always used as an indirect object. And direct object, like the fable entertained us, so here it can be used as a direct object also because it doesn't have any other direct object here, so here it can be used as indirect, direct as well as indirect object. Now, in formal writing, see, in the previous slide, you saw how to use the subject, but when you are talking about formal writing or speech, the subject is always used after the linking verb. So, here it is a different matter altogether. She is the linking verb. Here, she is the linking verb. The winner we have already, the object we have already, and this is the subject here. It is not used like this. She is the winner. The winner, you must have heard it in speeches or when there are some award event, we always say it like this. The winner is, either we say the name or we say the pronoun. So this is how it is in formal settings or formal writings. Now, how can we use it also, since it is a third person singular? But what are the further uses of this word it? It can be used to introduce a remark about some thing. So here it is nice to have a holiday sometimes. So here it is used as a remark. It is important to dress well. We also often use it to talk about the weather, temperature, time and distance. It's raining. It will probably be hot tomorrow. It's 9 o'clock yet. It's 50 kilometers from here to Cambridge. So here it can be used to talk about weather, temperature, time and distance. See the uses of it. Now again, using pronouns correctly. This is something which is very important and which is very common when it comes to using pronouns. How to use a pronoun if we are using noun or some other words with it. When in pair, so when we are talking about two persons or nouns or pronouns, for example, Susan and I. See, this is the most common mistake we make. Here we are using Susan and then we have to talk about ourselves also as first person singular pronoun. So how do we use it? I have mostly seen children using I first and then the name. It's not like this. It is always Susan and I. It cannot be I and Susan. Always remember name of the other person first and then use your pronoun. So how do you think that it is correct? Just try it. Always take the pronoun out of the pair. So take this I out of this pair and see. Then make a sentence out of it and see which pronoun is the correct one to use. First, how it can be used, this pronoun, and if I am using me. Yes, I have seen people using me also, Susan and me. So take that pronoun out, I and me, and try to form a sentence out of that. Which one do you think is correct? Like here, Susan and I are going to a party. So it cannot be, if we take the I out, if can we say I am going to the party, is it correct? Or we can say me is going to the party. So take that pronoun out and then try to make a sentence out of that pronoun, and you can understand yourself which one is the correct. I am going to the party or me is going to the party. I is the correct here. So you will use I, Susan and I. Like for example, Richard and I or me, no, recited the story. Richard and I recited the story, not me recited the story. This is correct. Jennifer helped Richard and I or me. No, Jennifer helped Richard and me. Here, if we are using, here we are using it as subject, so it is I. Here we are using it as object, so it is me. Remember how to use it as subject and how to use it as object. Read the sentences without the words that the pronoun is paired with to see what works. So that was it. Remember that was the most important part, because this mistake I have very commonly seen it, children making, children, not only children, I've seen adults, even I do make mistakes sometimes, but then it is always good to learn about them. So I'm bidding farewell to you today. Have a nice day and try to use these pronouns correctly. Always use I for the subject and me for the object, or us. It is about singular, but if it's plural, so it can, for plural, instead of I, it can be used as we, and then for object it can be used as us. So that was all for today. Have a nice day and God bless you.